Hey folks, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Just wanted to show you what we can do with the grinder today. Just going to put my mask on and do a little bit of grinding. This engine cover here, that was all cut out with the grinder. All around there was cut out with the grinder. Most of this hole was cut out with the grinder from this side, and then I had to hand cut out that bit. I ground as much of it out as I could with the grinder and went from there. But I'm going to be trimming this front spoiler here and just show you what you can do with the grinder. Alright. Well folks, not sure if you noticed, but anything on the face I go very gently and only just touching it, just so we don't destroy it. The grinder's very quick to bite in, so you've got to go very soft. But as you can see, the part's pretty well trimmed. Just going to maybe do a little bit of hand sanding just to tidy up some of these rough bits, or these bits of fibres that are hanging out. But after that, the part will be ready to pack up and send out. So the main thing is practice. Just have a practice, and these flap discs, they're really great. A new one can really rip into it, so you've got to go very gently. As they wear down a little bit, it makes it a little bit easier to work with when you're shaping and whatnot. So thanks for watching.